Hello and welcome to Make a Monday. Today we're going to make our own snow globe. So today's theme for mine is an ocean theme. So I've got some shells, my fake pearl to go in my shells. I've got some rocks for my island because I'm going to make it as an island theme. I've got some gems to make it look like buried treasure, and I've got some water and some glitter. So you can put some food dye in your glitter water if you want it to be coloured. I just thought it'd be easier to see with just glitter and clear water. And I've got blue tack, which is white, or if you've got a hot glue gun, that might be easier. Oh, and a jar. You need a jar to actually, obviously, to make it in. And that's it. So what we're going to do first is put our blue tack in the bottom. If you don't have blue tack, or if you have a hot glue gun, you could use that. So I'm just going to stick some blue tack around the bottom to put our stones and that on. So, and I'm going to build it up in the middle to make it into an island, so that we stand out a bit. And I've made our island to go in the middle, and then on my island I'm going to stick my shells. So I've got a shell, so I want it to sit, I'm going to have it sit like that, and then I want to stick this one at the back. So I've just got some blue tack there to stick that up there like that. So I've got my two shells, my rock to go in, and my pearl to stick on top of it. So I've got that. I've just put a bit of blue tack on the bottom of it and stick that in there like so. And then I've got some pink rocks that I'm going to put around the edge to make my rocky island. We just stick them around like so. So take all my excess off, push them in so they're in the blue tack, and then then we'll tip it upside down so that anything that's not stuck in our blue tack will come out like so. Then we just put it again to the side. We might have to put some more back in again. We haven't got them all stuck down, but so just push them all in. And I want to stick some gems in around as well to make it look like we've got buried treasure. So we'll stick them in. So we've got lots of bright colours around. So now we've got this finished, so it looks like our buried treasure island. So we've got that. So we've got now we have our jar. So we'll put some glitter into the bottom of the jar. Probably just maybe depending on how much glitter you want in it. That's probably enough for a jar that size. And then we'll just put some water in it. So you may make sure you just fill up the jar with water. Depending on how much you're going to put in with your scene, you may need to put more or less water in. So we've got our water and our lid, so then we just turn it upside down, and there's our snow globe. Thanks for joining me for Make a Monday. Here's our finished product, our snow globe. If it happens to leak, you may have to seal it around the top either with some more blue tack, or if you use a hot glue gun, then seal it with that. If you've missed our other Make a Mondays, you can go to our website, and under Something for Kids, you'll find all our listed Make a Monday activities for your viewing.